We heard a lady.
Where?
I was just talking.
I heard it. I don't know where it came from.
Elbow control there. Get back on our counter offense right there. Turn the corner. Turn the corner. Turn the corner. Half. Good. Nice.
Careful.
Wait, did Spencer win? He got a forfeit.
All right. Put your elbow in his back. 10 seconds.
I was like, dang, that was a fast match.
10 seconds. There we go. Now crank it.
It's funny how that works, isn't it?
You're in the man.
Hey, kind of funny how that elbow thing works. But, hey, our choice. Hey.
Dude took his headgear off in the road. He had to readjust it, so he took it off and put it back on.
Go.
You see that?
That was fucking lucky, dude.
We go reshot.
Duck right
Hey, he's
there.
leaning back.
Nice.
They tried.
Lift.
Finish through your shot. Circle to me. Circle to me.
Boom in.
Circle to me.
Boom in. There you go.
No.
Bring it back. Bring it back in.
So close.
Good.
Ankle pick.
Oh.
He's on his heels.